Heat exchangers are integral to maritime engineering, and among the available options, HFM Marine Heat Exchanger stands out for their unique advantages and competitive strength. HFM Marine Heat Exchanger is a crucial component that helps regulate and maintain optimal temperatures within the marine systems, ensuring their efficient operation and longevity. There are several advantages using HFM Marine Heat Exchanger. Notably, HFM Marine Heat Exchanger facilitate the exchange of heat between different fluids, enabling the separation of hot and cold streams, essential for the proper functioning of various marine systems like HVAC, engine cooling, and refrigeration. Renowned for their high thermal efficiency, HFM Marine Heat Exchanger ensures optimal heat transfer in marine systems, essential for the effective operation of marine equipment. HFM Marine Heat Exchanger's compact design allows for space-efficient installation on ships, making them an ideal choice for vessels where space is limited, without compromising performance. Constructed from corrosion-resistant materials, HFM Marine Heat Exchanger enhances durability and reliability, significant for vessels navigating through saltwater environments. Additionally, HFM offers customization options to meet specific marine system needs, ensuring seamless integration into diverse maritime applications. To learn more about HFM Marine Heat Exchanger, click the link below for a professional and customized consultation.